Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by locating the material target so you can remove it cleanly. Select the object in the 3D view and open Material Properties. This shows which slots are active. Once done, check the outliner set to Blender file to expose materials not linked to any object. Make sure to unlink excess slots from objects first so materials become orphaned. Blender won't delete a material still assigned. Now proceed to clear slots and mark unused materials for removal. You'll now unlink materials from geometry. In Material Properties, click the minus to remove the slot or use assign to switch objects to a different material. For multiple objects, use select similar material to gather all shares quickly. This prevents leftovers. Once unassigned, materials become orphaned and Blender shows a fake user count of 0. Make sure to replace any used material intentionally so you don't break shading on purpose. This preserves look while preparing for cleanup. Finish by purging orphan materials. Save your file and reopen so Blender clears unused data, or use File Cleanup Purge all to aggressively remove them. You should also inspect node trees because textures or node groups can keep a material alive. Remove those links if needed. If a material still persists, search the Data API or Outliner for hidden references in collections, actions, or other objects. A quick tip: disabled fake user shield icon prevents deletion. Turn it off before purging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.